MOTTSAB.
And what exactly is that supposed to mean?
Duh, I'm in the middle of talking to Stacy about boys. No one understands me.
Well, WIUDR.
What?
Wrap it up. Dinner's ready. Zach, you too.
Sorry, Mom. Already ate.
No, honey, you're thinking of lunch. We're having dinner. Remember the thing you do between lunch and sleeping?
Oh, yeah. Dinner. I love dinner.
Barry, dinner's ready.
Just one final touch.
Barry, how come every time I call you for dinner, you always have something more important going on in the garage?
Well, honey, I wanted to surprise you. What the hey? Ta-da!
Wow. Our minivan.
Oh, this is more than just our minivan. Your husband, your hero, took some old parts from Rocket Tech, and I made what I like to call the minivan of tomorrow today. It'll be ready tomorrow, just in time for a trip to the Alamo.
Looks like our old minivan to me.
On the outside. But inside, you'll find everything's futuristic. Even the date on the digital clock is set 5 years ahead.
But how will we know what time it is now?
Oh, it's the same time. You just have to remember it's 5 years ahead.
So let me get this straight. You're yanking me out of a hot summer social schedule packed with parties and potential boyfriends for what? The reenactment of the Battle of the Alamo?
Great, you understand.
Dad, I was under the impression these family vacays were a passing fad. You know, like fanny packs?
Sweetie, these vacations are a sacred thing. Between your father's late hours, Zach's video games, your cell phone, and my unhealthy obsession with reality television, I never see you guys anymore. This is the one chance for us to finally bond.
And second of all, fanny packs never went out of style.
And just to make sure this vacation doesn't end in total disaster, I'm going to run to the grocery store right now and pick up some precautionary items. Oh, brother, my first foray into fending for myself. Hup. I'm gonna be ready for anything. Mark that off the checklist. I'm definitely gonna need that. Oh boy. Hope Barry doesn't see that on the credit card statement. I wouldn't put it past my head. Yow! Yow! Hup! Ah! Yow! Yow! Ah! Hum. keep us safe.
Yow!
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! I'm gonna be ready for anything. Oh boy! Oh boy! I need a vacation from this vacation.
Behold the minivan of the future.
Whoa!
I combined modern technology with the aim-to-please ability of 15th century English butlers to produce a minivan that caters to your every need. Every seat is adjusted to your exact specifications. Barb and Jess, yours have massage capabilities. And for Zach, I know how much you like staring at the car behind us like a drooling dog, so yours faces backwards.
It also has a cup holder. I bet that could hold a cup.
Good thinking, Zach. And it does. All right, everybody in.
Dad, you know this doesn't change the fact that we're going to the Alamo and it's guaranteed to be a train wreck just like all our vacations.
Not this time, honey. I'm prepared for every possible disaster. Sunscreen, check. Band-Aids, check. Duct tape, check. Jaws of life, check. Four-man tent, check. Portable generator, check. Backup checklist, check.
That's enough checking, Barb. We don't want to miss the reenactment. And now for the best part. For our virtual host, I programmed a TV personality I hear is all the rave. Without further ado, please welcome Vance Shepard.
Hey there, folks. Celebrity heartthrob Vance Shepard from TV's Beach Patrol.
You hear that, guys? Vance Shepard of TV's Beach Patrol. You guys watch that show, right?
Yeah, Dad, you really get us. An old canceled TV show.
Canceled? We weren't canceled. The story had simply run its course. Face it, folks, you can only patrol a beach for so long before it's completely free of tough guys with no moral compass.
You sold me, Vance. Now let's go get to the family bonding and war reenacting. Next stop, the Alamo.
Of course, the Alamo. I'll handle this. I know a shortcut.
Buckle up, everyone, because you're in for a surprise.
Whoa!
This is awesome, Dad. I've never been inside the sky before.
Yeah, that's great, Zach. Now everyone just relax and we should be at our destination in no time.
I told you, I'm a star. I told you, I'm a star. I hope it didn't leave a dent. This will look good in the collection. I hope it didn't leave a dent. That brings back memories. I told you, I'm a star. Ow! Ow! I told you, I'm a star. Bidding for this starts at 20 G's.
What was that?
Oh, nothing, just a beeping sound.
Vance?
Because we just ran out of gas.
Gas? We just had a full tank.
Yeah, Barry, but do you know how much gas it took to make the beeping sound?
Oh no!
Relax, kids. I brought packing peanuts.
Don't worry, everyone. I'm all right.
Good, as long as you're okay. Vance, where are we?
Well, my GPS was damaged in the landing, but I'm going to go out on a limb and say the barren desert.
Surprise, surprise! Another train wreck.
Don't worry, Jess. Your fearless fanny-packed father is going to find us some gas. Honey, got any water in that emergency purse of yours?
Purified, spring, or tap?
Okay, in case I don't return, I want to apologize for your inevitable demise.
Thanks, Barry. We love you.
Love you too. Jess, if I don't make it, I hope my funeral doesn't interfere with your party schedule.
Just don't have it on a weekend.
And Zach, while I'm gone, you're the man of the family. Grow a beard.
I've always wanted to be the man of a family.
Okay, I'm off.
Bye, Dad!
We love you!
Ow! Alley up! Ouch! Alley up! Alley up! Alley up! Alley up! Alley up! It's convenient, right there and all. Alley up! Alley up! Alley up! I wonder if that performance qualifies me for Father of the Year. If I survive this, I'm shoo-in for Father of the Year. Alley up! Alley up! Alley-up! 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 Ouch! Alley-up! I hope this isn't a mirage. Alley-up! Take that! Take that! All right, next stop, the Alamo. You can do this, Barry. You're a grown man. Alley-up! Alley-up! Ouch! Alley-oop. Take that. Alley-oop. Ow! Take that! Ouch! Ah! Alley-oop! Ow! Ah! That should keep me going for a while. Ouch! Take that! Alley-oop! This is convenient. Right there and all. Alley-oop! Ow! Alley-oop! Ow! Ah! Take that! Alley-oop! I hope this isn't a mirage. Alley-oop! 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 Take that! Ow! Ouch! you guys doing here?
Barry, you walked in a circle.
We're gonna die out here!
Wait a second. Why don't we use the sand as gas?
The sand as gas. Zach, I think it's time we had a little talk.
Is this about sex?
No, Zach. It's about reality and sand and gas.
Well, what are we going to use as gas?
Can we use them as gas?
We are the desert people, and you are trespassing on our land. The desert.
You don't sound like desert people. You sound Australian.
Good on you, mate. For that recognition, we will spare your lives and tell you the story of how we came to be here in this desert.
Can you just spare our lives?
And maybe give us some gas?
Yeah, oh yeah, sure. Why don't we give your shoes a little buff while we're at it?
Fine. Tell us your stupid story.
Oh, when you put it that way, I don't want to tell you the story.
Great, don't.
I was being sarcastic. You're supposed to plead with us. A little back and forth, you know?
Look, all we want is some gas.
We're getting nowhere with these outlanders. Take them to the camp! Which brings me to my favourite part of the story. Expelled from Australia for crimes we did not commit, cast away to this desert to perish, or find a way to survive using only our wits. We turned this desert, a barren wasteland, into our new home. Now how about that?
Yeah, and that's how you came to be here.
Exactly! Hey, Sheila knows her story, you know, about how people came to be where they are.
And where exactly is that?
It's in the desert, mate.
We know that, but where in the desert?
We're right about here.
No, where in the world are we?
Oh, we don't know that. The map's only so big.
So about that gas.
Oh, right. We got plenty. Made it ourselves. Got 200 octane. Perhaps we can work out a trade or a deal.
I'm sure we have something you want. Let me just run down my checklist.
Did you say checklist? Oh, we could use one of those. You know, to make sure we've told our guests every bit of the story about how we came to be where we are. We have a deal.
Great!
Hey, before you go, let us tell you the story of how we came to be here.
Didn't you just tell us that story?
Oh, yes, but it gets better with each retelling.
Just go get the gas. I'll humor Crocodile Dundee here. Okay, let me hear the story.
Right. It's an ancient story. As old as the rocks and sand. The year was 1971.
Bye, guys.
They could be part of our story. You know, the one about how we came to be here.
Yeah, that's a good story. Yeah, but now it's going to be even better.
Next stop, the Alamo.
Vance, you sure you can run on 200 octane gas?
Come on. I'm TV star Van Shepard. What could possibly go wrong? Ow! Ouch! Ow!
Honey roasted, my favorite.
Ouch! Ow!
This tastes like tomato juice.
Honey roasted, my favorite.
Ow! My beautiful exterior! Ow! Ouch! Ow!
The sky is a little chilly.
Hope that didn't leave a dent.
Vance, what's happening?
The 200 octane gas, too much power, even for the likes of TV star Van Shepard. Brace yourselves for crash landing!